One of my subscriber asked me that how I use Google Translate application to learn English. So as I promised that I will make a video about this. So today I'm here to share that how I use Google Translate application and how it is helpful in your learning English. Google Translate, this is an application. It's totally free. You can download it from Play Store and then open it. And after opening this application, you have to select two languages. First one is your native language. Second language is your English that you want to translate between. Okay, then just type any word, any sentence, any paragraph, and this application will provide you English translation. And what else you can do, you can type English word as well. So if you want to know the meaning in your native language, so you can just type English word as well. What else you can do, if you don't want to type anything, then you can use the microphone icon. Just you have to click here microphone icon and just speak in your mother tongue or in your English. You can speak in English language so that you can check your pronunciation as well. I used to do it a lot so that I can check my pronunciation. So, and you can speak in Hindi language as well or in your native language so that you can translate it, that what you say this in English. Another amazing use of this application is, you know what, this is my favorite. You don't have to write anything, you don't have to speak anything. You know what, if you know what, sometimes what happens, we see something written in English but we are just confused at what is the meaning of this. So what you can do, you just have to click camera icon, and after clicking here you can scan anything that is written in English, so it will provide you translation in your mother tongue. You can see history as well. Whatever you are searching, or I mean typing or translating, it will provide you history as well. And you can save your favorite word or favorite sentence that you want to remember for a long time and you want to read it again and again. Then you can click on star icon as well so that you can save this meaning. You can use this application anywhere or anytime. So that's all about this application. Now let me tell you my story with this application. You know what, when I was literally a beginner in this language, I used to take my phone and just I used to open Google Translate and I used to say whatever the sentence I want to translate in English. Then my Google Translate used to provide me in English translation, and I used to repeat that sentence in English again and again. Yes, I have done this several times. I know it sounds silly, but if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, then you have to do this. One thing that you have to understand, that you cannot grab so many vocabularies and sentences at once. Yes, you know what, the more you will learn new words, the more new words you will find on the way, you will find in this journey. So do not try to learn so many words and so many vocabularies at once. I will say that you must know some certain vocabularies or certain sentences in the beginning. So what you have to do, whatever you are doing, whatever you are in whatever environment you are, just try to translate those sentences and those words in English. Yes, start from this. Right now, what are you doing? You are watching this video, you are lying on bed, you are sitting on chair, you are eating something. So try to translate those things in English in your mind and try to speak those sentences. I have done this, that's why I am suggesting this to you. You know what, मुझे पता नहीं था कि बाल बनाने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे. So what I used to do, I used to just take my phone, as I already told you, and I used to open Google Translate और मैं बोलती थी मैं बाल बना रही हूँ. So Google Translate used to provide me in English translate. Then I used to repeat that sentence, that मैं बाल बना रही हूँ को इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे I am doing my hair, I am styling my hair, I am fixing my hair. Yes, I have done this a lot. And you also have to do this. If you are watching this video till now, thank you so much for watching. So many of you are thinking that yes, ये सही बात कर रही है, और many of you are thinking that कैसी पागलों वाली बात है, इससे ऐसे कोई इंग्लिश थोड़ी सीखता है. Many of you are thinking in this way as well. Okay, whatever you are thinking, I cannot change your opinion, but please, whatever you are thinking, negative or positive, start thinking that in English. If you think that I am just talking some nonsense, then you repeat the sentence what rubbish she is talking about. Or if you want to appreciate, then appreciate that wow, she is really talking correct, she is giving right point. You can start thinking in English and start speaking in English. ओके फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द माई सीक्रेट ऑफ लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. शुरुआत में मैंने ऐसे ही शुरू किया था. देर वर नो बडी विथ हुम आई कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, और मेरे पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं था स्पीक किसी से भी इंग्लिश में बात करने का, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं था. सो मैं यही करती थी, जो भी मिलता था, जो मुझे इंग्लिश में नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं गूगल ट्रांसलेट यूज़ कर लेती थी. और बस गूगल ट्रांसलेट ही मेरा दोस्त था उस टाइम पे. गूगल ट्रांसलेट ही मेरा पार्टनर था इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का. ओके, सो या आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प यू. एंड प्लीज़ एक बार शुरू तो करो, बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपको, बहुत मज़ा आता है. पता है, एक एक सेंटेंस आप ले रहे हो अपनी मदर टंग में और फिर उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हो, बहुत मज़ा आता है. ट्राई दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू.